Hi guys, I'm back, and I also have an unboxing. Those of you that are my regular subscribers know that my husband and I just returned from a trip of a lifetime. We went to Ireland. We spent 8 wonderful days there, and it was one of the best trips I think that we've ever been on. And I look forward to sharing my vlog with you. I'm working on it now. It seems there's going to be 2 parts. There was so much to film, and I had the best time. But for today's video, I have an unboxing and an unbagging. Before we go any further, I need to show you guys my bag of the week, and you're going to be so proud of me. I am carrying my Louis Vuitton Trevi bag. You know, this is one of the bags that I had considered selling because of the weightiness of the bag. Well, I took the shoulder strap off, and this does fit over my shoulder, and I do plan to buy a new strap for her, but I took her off the shelf. I put this beautiful Michael Kors rabbit fur, I think it's faux rabbit fur, puff ball on it. I think it's so cute, and I've really enjoyed carrying this bag. I'm in love with this bag all over again. So I don't feel it terribly full, but it's a wonderful bag, and I plan on using her more. While we were in Ireland, I did do a bit of shopping. Not too much. There's only so much shopping that my husband can handle, but he's very accommodating. And I got something I'm so thrilled about, you guys, and it's in this huge bag. So what I want you guys to do, I want you to stop the video and take a guess. What do you think this is? But before I show you this, I'll show you the other 2 items that I got in Ireland. Okay, the first item that I'm going to show you that I got, I actually got it out of necessity because, let me give you guys a word of advice. Do not travel to Ireland without a really warm jacket, even in the summertime. So if I ever go back, I will know this. But I went to a store called Brown Thomas, and I believe it's an Irish chain store similar to Macy's. They have luxury goods, they have really nice clothes, and I went in search of a jacket because the first night we were there, it was freezing. We were walking around. I had a lightweight rain jacket on, and I had to have something. So let me show you what I got, and it's really cool. It comes in this little pouch, and I decided this is going to be my official travel jacket because it's really warm, it's really lightweight. You can throw it in your suitcase, and you know, it doesn't take up a lot of space, and the brand is called Weekend Max Mara. It's a lightweight yet warm jacket, and I just love the pouch. So this is my official travel jacket, but I just love it because it has this drawstring pouch, and then it just, you know, you just roll your jacket up and stuff it in there, and then whenever you take it out, it just expands. So I, of course, got this taupe color, and it matches everything. And I wore this the entire time I was there. If I had not went out and bought this, I would have froze to death. But it's really warm. It's not very thick, but it really did keep me warm. And it's really, really cute. And, you know, I thought I'll go in and I'll just pick up a cheap jacket. You guys, this was not cheap. And here's the label. I think it was probably close to $400, and I didn't know. I just went in there thinking I'd pick up, you know, something warm, inexpensive jacket, and I didn't look at the price tag, and my husband paid for it, and he was like, wow, that was an expensive jacket. But I'm glad I got it. I really like it, and I'm not familiar with the brand, but it's going to be my official travel jacket from now on because I love the pouch. The next item that I got is in this bag. And I'm going to admit to you guys, this was an impulse buy. I've looked at them online, and I have seen other YouTubers with this item. My friend Lady B, she has this bag. And also Autumn Beckman has this bag. And I'm going to have to point the finger of blame toward those 2 ladies because they had when they showed it on their channel, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have that bag. And then I saw it at Brown Thomas, and I had to have it. So let me show you mine. I'm just absolutely thrilled over this bag. I'm just going to tell you guys, and it's Coach, okay? It is Coach, and Coach is having a resurgence like no other. And I think it might have to do with, of course, the quality. They have really stepped up their game. There for a while, Coach kind of went, you know, flatline on us. But now, wow. I mean, they are putting out some gorgeous bags, and I already have my eye on a second Coach bag. But when I saw Autumn and Lady B and their Cassie bag, I was like, oh my goodness, do not tempt me. And then when I saw it in person, I was like, I have to have that bag. So here it is, a total impulse buy. I'm just thrilled about it. So it comes in this gorgeous drawstring dust bag, and I got mine, I think they got black, and I got this gorgeous off-white. Is this not the most gorgeous bag? And I really did need something like this because I don't have a light color bag. I have an azure, but it's the GM Neverfull. So I don't have anything like this at all. And it is similar, you know, in style to the Pochette Métis, which I love. I took on my trip, and it is really a first cousin to the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis. I love this gold hardware on the bag, and I just absolutely fell in love when I saw it. They had a black, they had this color, and then also the one with the monogram, and they were all gorgeous. But I really did need, and it still has all this, so I really did need a bag of this color for my collection. So I am absolutely thrilled, and as you can see, and I'm not going to sit here and pull all of this off of it. I will style this for my outfit of the day, and you will see it on Instagram if you follow me there, YotaStyle Luxe. But I just absolutely am beyond thrilled with this bag. I can't tell you. And it's got the pocket here, and the Pochette Métis has the zipper pocket. So I will do a comparison on the two bags after I carry this a time or two. I don't know. I'm not thrilled with this part. And I think Autumn took hers off, I don't know if I'm right about that, but I feel like she took it off. But I think I'm going to take this off, and I told my husband, I think I'm gonna Louis it up. He thought that was funny, but I think I really will. I've got my eye finally on a Louis Vuitton charm. It's one of the smaller ones, gold charm. I think it would be gorgeous. You could put a twilly on it, but just even without it. The only thing I'm just not really, you know, I'm not loving this, so I think I'll take it off. But I absolutely love my new Coach Cassie bag. I think that it's the it bag of Coach bags right now. So I'm thrilled with my Coach Cassie bag. I cannot wait to carry her. All right, it is time. The time has come, you guys, to show you what is in this gorgeous orange bag. I have to tell you a little story before I show you what I got, because I knew that I was going to get a luxury bag. I normally do when we travel abroad, but I had no idea what I wanted. And to tell you the truth, before I got the Cassie bag, I thought I might get another Pochette Métis and get it in the pale pink. That's what I had in my mind. And then I came across the Coach Cassie. And then when we went to Dublin and we went to some of the stores shopping, I told Keith, he was like, oh, don't you want that bag, the pink bag? And I was like, well, let's look at it. And I tried it on, and it's absolutely gorgeous. But I thought, I don't need the reverse monogram Pochette Métis and the Coach Cassie and a pink Pochette Métis. So I decided to look for something else. And I went to Chanel, and not looking for a jumbo, because I fully intend to get a jumbo when I'm in Greece next year. And also it's not really in the budget right now. That's a more pricey bag, of course, as you guys know. But I found a small cocoa handle Chanel bag, and it was beautiful. It was like a pewter color, and I looked at it twice, and then I went and I looked at other bags, and nothing really was speaking to me. I loved the Chanel bag, but you know, I wasn't sure. And then we went back to Louis Vuitton, and when I saw this bag up on the shelf, it was up high in this color, I can't tell you, it was like I fell in love with it. And I've seen it before in other colors, but I don't think I've ever seen it in this color in person. So I'm trying to build up a lot of suspense here, but what I'm trying to say is I chose this over a Chanel bag. And you know, some people might say, oh, you know, Chanel's better or whatever, but I guess it's a personal opinion. I love Chanel, and I really do want to grow my Chanel collection. I only own one Chanel bag, so I'm a little surprised at myself, but this bag really did speak to me. I mean, I really did fall in love. So let's see what I chose. I am so excited to show you guys. So I hope you had stopped the video earlier and take a guess. Those of you that know my style, what do you think is in this bag? I might surprise some of you, okay? So let's go ahead and open it up. And I managed to make it home from Ireland with this bag. I carried it on the plane, of course, but they did catch me as I was going through customs, pulled me aside, and I had to pay an additional fee of $105. So I won't let that happen again. When I'm in Greece next year, I will pack my box and carry my new bag with me. It's just like $105 extra, but still, that's $105 I could have kept in my pocket. So it's already been opened up because I had to declare it, and they have to look at it. So so it's in this box, and I'm so thrilled, you guys. I can't tell you how happy I am. Let me adjust to the camera a bit so you can see it as I open it up. Okay, because what you really want to see is what's in the box, not me. So I got some perfume samples. They gave me 2 and 2 for my husband, and he said, I will never wear Louis Vuitton cologne. He is not going to have anything to do with anything designer whatsoever, so hey, I'll wear it. So, all right, let's go ahead and unbox this gorgeous, gorgeous item. I am just so thrilled. I can say that 100 times over, and you just have no idea. Well, maybe you do. You've been through it yourself, hopefully. But I'm just beyond thrilled. I'm beyond thrilled. So it has the magnetic closure box. And it's in a beautiful drawstring dust bag. I love the drawstring dust bags. To reveal my gorgeous, gorgeous new bag. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my goodness, you guys. I got the most gorgeous bag in the most gorgeous color. Oh my gosh, it makes my heart sing. I could scream. I mean, or I could cry. I cannot believe that I have this bag. And I can't believe that I chose a pink bag. I am so not a pink person, but this is a warm pink. It's a neutral color. Like, it looks neutral to me. I love the silver hardware. Oh, I can't tell you. And it smells like heaven. I could just sit and stare at it. I had it sitting on the table the other day, and I was like, I cannot believe it. I think this bag is so gorgeous, and I'm going to tell you guys, I am not going to do with this bag what I've done with my Louis Vuitton Speedy and the Empreinte leather. I'm going to carry both of these bags, and I'm not going to be scared of it. This is an everyday bag. It can be a special occasion bag, but every day is a special day, right? I am beyond thrilled. Oh my goodness, you guys, it is so beautiful. I love the opening of it, and of course I have the strap that is adjustable, so I can wear it crossbody. I can shorten the strap, or I can carry it handheld. Would that not be so pretty to carry to church, just handheld like that? So it's so, you know, versatile. It has the feet. This is the BB size. Just look at the beauty of this bag and this color. It is absolutely breathtaking. All right, I'm going to do some modeling shots and let you guys see what it looks like on. I think it goes really well with casual outfits. It goes really well with the denim. And I just think it is such a pretty and feminine bag. You wear it in the crook of the arm. You can wear it as a shoulder bag. And of course you can wear it crossbody. I love it crossbody. Now I have the strap on the longest adjustment, and this is how it looks on me, and I'm 5'3". I hope you guys like it, and let me show you my Coach bag really fast. Bag number 2, the Coach Cassie bag. If you are on the fence about getting this bag, I highly recommend it. It is so comfortable, so very much like the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis. I don't know which one was inspired by which one, but it is a fabulous bag for a fraction of the price. And I plan to put a Louis Vuitton charm on mine and maybe a twilly, but it's gorgeous just like it is. And I absolutely love it. And it suits my lifestyle and my personal style. That's all I have for you guys this week. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. I love you guys so much. I'll see you again next week. Bye-bye.